I would tell him that I would give him another house which would be a much better house than this hut.
I said that, but the old woman replied that I want my hut more than any other house. I have been living in this hut for many years. I got married here and raised my children. And more than that, I am afraid that Khusru and Noshirwan will die and then the new home will be taken away from me.
What did she say? This old woman has reached the limit of arrogance. She thinks I'm going to die before her. I order that her head be cut off in a crowd.
O my master, my lord, do not forget that for many years our workers have been talking about your justice in the streets and markets. Don't listen to this old lady and give any order that will allow your enemies to speak against the great kingdom of Iran.
So tell me, what should we do now? What are you doing here? Now find me a solution to this.
It would be insulting if I said something. I would request you to leave this hut as it is.
What are you saying?
O king, if anyone asks, we will answer that the king cannot demolish an old woman's hut for the sake of the beauty of his palace. Your justice and reputation will increase.
I understand you. But how can we believe that people will listen to us?
They may not listen to us, but they will listen to the old woman. I will send 2 servants with gifts to this old woman who will tell her that the kind-hearted king does not want to force an elderly woman who has been living in her hut for many years to leave. So he has ordered her to stay in the same hut, next to the great king Noshirwan. And she deserves all our favors.
Is she always going to be in our neighborhood?
Needless to say, neither she nor her hut will last long. The glory of the king will be maintained even without the slightest of loss. That hut will not last even a year.
It is true that this palace will always be in the same condition, which is a sign of our power and greatness.
On the night of the birth of the Holy Prophet, a strange event took place in the palace of the Emperor of Iran.
Oh brother, how much will this basket sell for?
Brother, it will be 4 dirhams.
4 dirhams? What's the matter? Don't you think the price should be lower?
My baskets are not so expensive, you know that very well.
I will take one of them from you for 2 dirhams.
Hello, O Salman, the ruler of Madain.
What? Salman, the ruler of Madain?
Don't you know him?
I heard that he is a pious person, but I do not believe that the ruler of Madain would sell baskets to make a living. Can anyone be so simple? Sir, will you forgive me? I have insulted you. It has been done unknowingly. Forgive me.
Oh my brother, you have not done any such insolence. You have only acted as a normal man on the street. Now take whatever basket you like. This is a gift from me.
Stop, don't embarrass me more than that.
These are for you.
At least let me pay for it.
I said no, it's a gift from Salman.
Your Excellency, some big people of the city are invited for a dinner. If you come as well, I will be honored.
It is better to give up the intention of inviting me. I do not want to bother you and your guests.
I look forward to seeing you.
My meal will consist of little bread and vegetables. Mahan, I didn't go to a table that had such food on it. Do other people in Madain have the power to eat this, which you are arranging, Mahan? Will your guests eat the food I eat? Tell me.
What has happened? Oh my God, what has happened?
What is happening? Guards, where are you? Where are you? What is happening? How is that possible? How can it be?
King, nothing happened. Don't worry, it was a minor earthquake.
What are you saying? Earthquake? Can you tell where it came from? What kind of earthquake shook our palace? But nothing happened to this old woman's small hut. Damn it. If it had been a minor earthquake, the old woman's hut would have been destroyed. How is it possible that no other place was destroyed? And why didn't people feel the shocks? Whatever it was, it shook the foundations of my power.
That was the reality. On the night of the Prophet's birth, the foundations of the greatest monarchy of the time were shaken. So that people may understand that the appearance of the last Prophet was near.